So here's another silly little blog from me. I know that our channel is called Sarafyna and the Nerd, and it'll be very soon. It'll be about our dual vlogs. But for now, just deal with me, yay, and him separately. Sadness. So I don't really have a topic for today. Probably whatever I just ramble on about. But yeah, today is just a really pretty day. I'm heading out to the farm once again because I've been really bad and I haven't gone out all week, and I pay for it, so I might as well actually go out there and see the little girl for a few minutes. Yesterday was just way too hectic. I could not get away from home. Well, not get away for that. And by the time I was off, they would have been using either her or the, something. So I just figured I'm just gonna take my time today. I'll go out and have an enjoyable time with the mare, with Scarlett. And today I actually have luggage space, so no backpack. Absolutely no backpack today. It's fantastic. I really, really hate wearing a backpack. There's just something about backpacks that I can't handle these days. Probably because of where they sit on my lower back. Coming up with luggage ideas for the new bike, it's a challenge because it doesn't have any racks, so I pretty much have an open slate with how I'm going to get bags onto the baby. Obviously I'm not going to go for the traditional cruiser style bags because she's not a cruiser, so I have to figure out what I like the look of. I've never been a huge fan of the big... Oh, well, hello, we've got some things going on down here. Interesting. Probably someone caught speeding. This is a well-known speed trap. Sorry, I have to go this way. This is the way I need to be. Oh yeah, undercover. Yeah, it's definitely someone got caught for speeding. Oh, that sucks, dude. Really sucks. And unfortunately, this is actually the kind of road where you probably don't want to speed because it's like 40 here. But I don't want to really also stick around either, so I am out. Twisty road or twistier road? Let's go twistier road. Though I'm not a big fan of the gravel on the road, but that's fine. That's the only spot that really there's a lot of gravel because it's so low in the valley. There's a little bit here and there, but I think that's the big spot. And look at this, another choice. Twisty road or twistier road. High road, low road. Let's go low road. Because it's nice. It gives me a chance to really brush up on twisty roads so that when me and Sean go down and do some traveling, I don't have to limit myself to straight roads right away. Whoop! She slipped. That was funny. I need a new tire. I need new tires. Recommendations. I actually know everybody's recommending these Man-Master ones, so I'm gonna look at those. They're a sticky tire, so I will see. Oh, hi birdie. Bye birdie. This is what happens when you take a crappy, off the beaten path roads in Ontario, I'll tell ya. You can find some bumpy with lots and lots of potholes, gravel in the corners. Oh yeah. Complexity level on this road is not huge, but it's definitely more so than some of the other roads. There we go. It's gravelly. Whoa, hello. I was way too high up here. Thank you for not stalling on me, girl. Yay. Okay, bumpy road, bumpy road, bumpy road. Yeah, this is definitely a lot more comfortable of a bike for the bumpy roads. Because it's got gel in the suit. I think I'm going to get that Eat, Sleep, Ride app. Or Ride, Eat, Sleep. I can't remember what it's called. I think I'm going to get that app installed. Or at least running. So that the next time we do one of these adventures with the riding group, that I can remember the exact path. Because it was so much fun yesterday. I think it was a lot more fun because I was riding with a group and I didn't have to worry about where we were going, but I also didn't have to worry about us just staying on like these straight, boring roads. We went on some fun twisties. It's so nice. Oh, this road is so fun. Even if it is just a short little thing.